Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Gigabit Ethernet switch, and so what this one is here, it comes with its own little USB plug, which is nice, and then it has USB to USB-C for power. And then this is the switch here. Look at how small this is. They've made these things so small nowadays because all the electronics can fit into it. Because this is pretty sure it's a Gigabit switch. Yeah, it's a Gigabit switch, and the Gigabit uplink. So we are good. So it looks like here is going to be our power. There is going to be our uplink. And then here, 4 ports. So we get 4 ports on this one here. So it's kind of nice. So if I'm going to plug this one in here. So there we go. We have power. And then we will do our uplink one here. So let's see if we get lights on that. So we do have lights flashing on that. And then we can plug in our device on the other end of it here. So right now we only have one. But there we go. So if you're gonna have a LAN party or something like that and you want super fast connectivity between each other, look at how nice and small this is. And you can just totally take this with you. It says it's industrial grade, industrial Gigabit Ethernet switch is what it is by Atrodec. So this is it, and it's nice and small and stuff like that. And I just hooked it up. I didn't plug it into the wall. I just hooked it up. So if you really want to be super portable, you can plug it into like a battery pack like I have here, and that makes it work. So very cool, nice little device, super awesome for a little 4-port hub. Thumbs up.